Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Map your devices and pick a central platform now. Once done, choose between Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, or Matter so devices will speak the same language. This reduces later friction. Make sure to segment devices onto a guest SSID or VLAN to limit exposure. Then power up a reliable hub or controller and update firmware. This prevents compatibility headaches and gives you a stable base to build smart automation work. Now integrate devices and create automation logic. Pair each device to your hub using manufacturer pairing steps and confirm status in the controller app. Once connected, design triggers, presence, time schedules, or sensor thresholds, and set clear conditions so automations run only when intended. Make scenes that group lights, thermostat, and locks into single commands and test each rule immediately. If a device fails, repair it and check signal strength. Good diagnostics save you repeated troubleshooting later. Complete the system by testing end-to-end. Run routines at scheduled times and during simulated presence changes, noting delays or conflicts and refining conditions. Once stable, export or note configurations and store credentials securely so you can restore quickly. Make sure automations have sensible fallbacks for failures, like manual overrides. If an automation breaks, power cycle the hub, repair the problematic device, and confirm it's on the correct network and channel. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most connectivity and pairing errors fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.